Hi, welcome to week 5. This week we're into project scope management. So posted the Quizlet terms for chapter 5. There are 2 assignments. One you're going to use Microsoft Project, and one based on, it's a discussion question, answer a few questions. No papers, no large research. So it's using Microsoft Project to lay out a work breakdown structure and then answer some discussion questions that are kind of related to developing a work breakdown structure. And then, of course, your reflection journal, which I use for attendance. And, of course, you have to have an exam. So hopefully that gives you a rough idea what's going on this week. And with any luck, I will remember this week to post the lecture on the material. If you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.